Trip, you're a big baby. Witness. Witness the magic of Glee.
Deserve a break. Take the summer off. Have some fun. Oh, but before you go, I have something for you. You all sang for me the other day, so today I'd like to return the favor.
Trip, watch. What's going to happen? What's going to happen? Oh, amazing. You're so weird. Ready to smell some food? He eats anything I put in his mouth when this is on.
Adoption papers seem to be in order, but there's no name on the birth certificate yet.
Oh, someday I'll wish upon a star and wake up where the clouds are far behind. And me, where troubles melt like lemon drops, high above the chimney tops, that's where you'll find.
Is it almost over? Are you sad?
Download music from tonight's episode on iTunes.com/Glee.
Q getting pissed again. Where'd it go? Trip? What happened to it? Crazy hair? Huh? Now will you eat for Mama now that you're happy? Okay, say bye everybody. Trip, say bye-bye. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, bye-bye.